Good morning, students of Standard UKG Rose and Lotus. Open your English workbooks at page number 47 and exercise 45, that is, write the name of its baby. Its baby means here's one side animals names are given and other sides we have to write their baby's name. एक साइड पे कुछ एनिमल्स के नाम दिए हैं, हमें उनके बच्चों के नाम लिखने हैं. So first one is the baby cow is called calf, CALF, calf. Next is the baby cat is called kitten, KITTEN, kitten. The baby horse is called horse, FOAL, fall. Baby horse is called fall. Next is the baby hen is called chick, CHICK, chick. Next is the baby dog is called puppy, PUPPY, puppy. Next is the baby lion is called cub, CUB, cub. Baby lion is called cub. Next is the baby sheep is called means sheep के बच्चे को क्या बोलते हैं? LAMB, lamb. Baby sheep is called lamb. Next is the baby goat is called kid, KID, kid. Next is the baby duck is called duckling, DUCKLING, duckling. Next is the baby deer is called fawn, FAWN, fawn. Baby deer is called fawn. So students, these are some of the animals and their baby's name. Please learn it carefully and learn the spelling of the baby's names, because you have to write this side. This side will be coming in the exam and this side you have to write yourself. So learn these spellings carefully. Thank you.